I'm GreenServe Electrical's qualified supervisor, and I'm registered to do all the electrical work under NIC EIC Part P certification scheme. I'm currently working on a socket doing test and inspection process, and once I've completed this I will fill out my NIC EIC certification and register that for Part P building compliance. You should always get a qualified electrician to carry out electrical work in your home, because they need to carry out that work in accordance with the current British standards. If you're not a competent person, then you will not be able to certify that work and apply for the appropriate certification and compliance with the building regulations. The main risk with not having your work certified and carrying it out yourself would be the risk of fire. In, say, for example, a terraced house, that fire, we see it all the time where we respond to burnt out properties where a fire has started from somebody doing their own electrical work, and that fire has spread from one property across, say, for example, in some mid-terraced houses, across to 2 or 3 properties. And actually the problem with that is that the insurance won't be validated because they didn't have that work carried out by a responsible, certified, registered person who issues a certificate at the end which covers you for your insurance. I guess the main issue for selling your property with not having someone doing the work would be you will not be able to provide certification on sale of the property. You will be asked by the solicitor to provide that certification. For example, if you've had an extension done on your property or a loft conversion, they will expect to see building control compliance certification. If you cannot provide that, the new buyer will ask for that money to be reduced from the sale of the house, so you're devaluing your property. There's no exact value on how much money you could save, because you've got to bear in mind that you would actually have to provide your own test equipment, which can cost at least £600. You have to provide your own tools, your own plant, your own materials to do the job. By the time you've bought the test equipment to do your one job, it's actually not cost effective, and you can't self-certify the work anyway. So you end up having to call an electrician out to certify the work, and electricians will not come out to a job and certify any work that was carried out by somebody else. So in fact, it's completely cost effective. If you want to check electrician has Part P qualification, then search for a local electrician. Once you've found a local electrician, say using ratedpeople.com, then you can contact that electrician and ask to see proof of their qualifications. And if they are registered for, say, with the NAPIT or NIC, EIC or Alexa, then they will be registered online, and you'll be able to contact one of those companies and check that they are actually qualified and that all their regulations and qualifications are up to current date.